Darla and Mark. This is our 26-foot 2017 Sunseeker Class C that we named Serenity. We travel the U.S., work camp in the summer and usually the fall. We're amateur photographers, landscape and wildlife, who love birding, hiking, history, cemeteries, horror movies, and heavy metal music. Join us on our adventures. We're in Mejia, Texas, staying at Fort Parker State Park.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Park Road 28.
This is the turn in to the park. It is on the prairies in Piney Woods, I think.
Take the next right onto
Like
Park Road 28.
There's the sun. The birding trail sign. It's got the scissor tail on it. Yeah, prairies and Pine Woods Wildlife
In
Trail
1,000
West.
feet, turn right.
As you come in, there is a park headquarters up here where you stop to either pay the day use fee or check in for the campground. We're staying in the campground. A little fuzzy here. Nobody in the little booth. Not today.
Take the
anyway.
next right, then your destination will be on the left.
There's the little headquarters.
Continue on Park Road 28 for 3/4 of a mile.
You know, and after a man died, there were lots of people who was he was their best friend. Now, in Bobby's case, it was true. He was a real friend to many men. He was a captain.
I need another person for it.
like, and subscribe. And join us next time for another adventure.